I'm actually very hungry. It's like eating a piece of heaven. My name is Fari. I came to Norway 7 years ago and I quickly fell in love with the country and the language. I also noticed that there are words in Norwegian that are totally untranslatable to other languages. Therefore, Visit Norway is sending me on an adventure so I can truly learn the meaning of these words in Word of the Day. Welcome to Oslo. It's too early. It's too early in the morning. Good morning, Safari. Get ready for a tasteful adventure. The word of the day is Fysen. I actually have no idea what that word means, but looking through the emojis, I think it has something to do with food or snacks. Let's check it out.
Fysen is a simple but yet so complicated word to describe. Norwegians use this word when they want something but are not quite sure what. It's usually something to eat, and it's often something not so healthy. So if you find yourself being Fysen, you should have hidden away all the snacks and junk food in your house. But you can also be Fysen for something specific, like a really good meal, or even a person. And in that case, you could be in for a treat.
Yes, please.
Look at this. Here we have some breakfast for you.
Okay, I just have to take a picture real quick.
Did you enjoy the food?
Yeah, it was super delicious. Is this like, you know, the normal Norwegian breakfast, like to get coffee?
I think everybody drinks a lot of coffee here in Norway.
Yeah, I think so too. I drink a lot of coffee.
It's dark, it's cold.
Yeah.
Maybe that's why. Or just because it's good. Because we make it with love here.
Oh.
See, that's why it's good.
The thing is, in Norway, everyone is like addicted to licorice. So I think I'm just going to test some of them and see what happens, what I like.
I love licorice.
You love licorice. Wow, I thought so. What is the thing with licorice? Why are they all like dark? Like
They're red.
What? And that's licorice too?
Yeah.
Now this I've never seen before. Red licorice. That is so new. You know, it's calling for me. It's like, Safari, please eat me. Oh, whoa. And what? I'm not sure if I'm Fysen for this type of candy, but actually yes I am.
You have to be a little bit careful though, because they're a bit sour.
Okay. Ooh. So let's just find out what the Norwegians know about the word Fysen. What does the word Fysen mean?
It's like a craving, kind of. I have a craving for chocolate.
Often I use the word fysen when I talk about food. Fysen on candy or...
It means peckish. You're kind of a little hungry, but you're not extremely hangry or hungry.
What are you guys Fysen for?
Usually it's just burger and fries maybe.
I know, like a baguette maybe, or croissant.
Most of the days, you know, you just wake up and you'll be like, today I don't know what I'm Fysen for. Then Oslo Street food is the place for you. Because in Oslo street food, you find food from all around the world. I actually don't even know where to start because I don't know what I want, but I want something nice. Wow. I think I just saw something that I like. Oh. Excuse me, sir? Is it okay if I can like order these? Okay, thank you. Oh, thank you, sir. Enjoy. Thank you so much. So this right here is a samosa. It has some chicken and potatoes and a lot of stuff inside it. I actually didn't know that I was Fysen for Indian food. I just heard some rumors that this was like the best place to eat your lunch.
That's very nice. We have they're hot sandwiches. So the pastrami Reuben on top, that's one of the most popular ones.
The most popular ones.
If you're leaning towards having something more burger-like, the fried chicken is really popular, or the patty melt.
The fried chicken sounds amazing.
Yeah, I'll bring it to the table outside.
Oh wow, that looks amazing.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Ooh. Now this right here is some serious lunch. It's like eating a piece of heaven. Oh, now that was the best sandwich ever. Okay, now I think we can just go over to the neighbor and eat some more.
Hello and welcome to the beautiful waffle shop.
Thank you. What's the thing with the shop? So what's like your specialty?
Yeah, so we're like pretty much all about like delivering like classic waffles, but although we offer like all the ice creams, you can put like whatever topping you like and mix and match like different toppings. So you can make some fun combos for sure.
I just had to come inside and test something.
So let's do it. A waffle with ice cream, for example.
And maybe with one of those like Norwegian
The smiltring.
dough. Yes.
They work very well with the ice cream for sure. So let's do it. So a scoop of brown cheese ice cream. Voila.
Now we're talking. Thank you so much. Now this is what I call a piece of fine art. I'll take some brown cheese ice cream, and put it right there. Now this has to be illegal. Brown cheese ice cream? What? It's amazing times 1,000%. I'll be eating this every day. Man, it looks like they have so many different types of fish, and they also have a restaurant here.
There we go, on fish gratin.
Ooh. So what is this actually?
The fish gratin is a kind of traditional Norwegian dish based on a bechamel sauce with fish, vegetables, with a panko and clarified butter crumble on top.
From everything you just said, this sounds like the perfect last meal for the day.
I hope you enjoy.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Oh. Wow. understand why a lot of Norwegians love fish. The Norwegians have taken the normal fish and they've made something unique, something special. If this doesn't make you Fysen, then I don't know. Alrighty guys, it has come to that point where I get to say goodbye. So thank you guys for today. I had an amazing day, ate so much food, and yeah, remember to subscribe.